This is a 2-inch exhaust pipe expander that I used, but I had to initially remove one of the expander pieces to enable it to fit in my 2-inch hose, which was smaller than advertised. With that piece removed, it fit nicely, and I used it initially to expand the hose. Once the hose was stretched a bit, I replaced the piece and was able to fully expand the hose, which had a heavy wire wrapped inside for strength. I found this tool on Amazon. This is the filler neck, 2-inch diameter hose, and the expansion tool, and my water heating up. It took quite a bit longer to heat up the hose to make it pliable than is shown in the video, and I had to stretch it and heat it a couple of times. The heavy chemical gloves work great. Here's the really sad part, when I find out that the heated hose cools too fast for me to get from the boiling water to the truck's gas tank. Talk about frustrating. It just wouldn't go on. Here we are back to the heating and stretching process to get it back to the flexible state, and my next idea to get this on. I'm thinking that the heated molecules dancing around are quickly shrinking back to the resting state of less than 2 inches on the hose. I was hoping that if I cool the pipe while it's still on the expander, it will retain its oversize by slowing down the molecules. I double bagged the filler neck and hose and put it in another ice bag for 5 minutes. It came out dry and about room temperature. And here's the happy ending where the hose slides onto the tank inlet. I did put some Dow Corning Molykote compound on the hose and pipe to reduce friction, and it really worked well. As you can see, I push it and slide it right into place with not much trouble. Tightening it up. Hope you enjoyed it.